So, in the big clockwork orange Norwich train station, mountain bike rapist, child 44, black wizard, black panther, puma, Sandringham serial killer, paedophile. I say, I had a woman's Dutchy bike, didn't have a mountain bike in Norwich, so it's only one me. People could see that on the CCTV. The police took their YouTube video down. I was in Norwich, up at Mousehold Heath, parked between two cameras. Also at the Forum, fully on camera, at the homeless food stand, nearby where Primark and McDonald's is, all fully on camera through the cathedral, biking back to Mousehold Heath. So like I say, another big monster black Bluff, Porky serial killer live, monster gaff, epic fail. God bless.